Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, I guess for August of 2021, because this did release this month here in August. So excited. I think it was $164 with like a $380 value. I'm not sure. It is sold out. I apologize, but I know a lot of you guys purchased it through my affiliate link, so thank you so much. Some of you have already gotten it. You've told me what you got, and you're so ecstatic, and I'm so ecstatic for you, and I'm so excited to open this up. My last two mystery boxes that I got from Charlotte Tilbury were amazing, and she's just so brilliant and caring with what she puts in her mystery boxes. It's not like Jeffree Star boxes or anything like that where it's just random crap thrown in that probably hasn't sold in a very long time and he's just trying to get rid of stock. These are like well thought out and really amazing, and you pretty much can use everything you get, which we did get a spoiler with two products that came in here, which was the Magic Cream and an eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited. I feel like I got the eyeshadow palette in a past box, but maybe not. But I know I sold it because it wasn't my color story. But I'm so excited to get into this. But before we get started, I do want to apologize if you guys hear chirping, because I do have 4 new baby chickadoos right there with their little heat lamp, and they're over there chilling. They're living in this room until they're about a month old, and they're going outside in the outdoor coop for like 2 more months until they can be big enough and start to get used to my 11 other chickens out there. So they're in the room. You know what? Hold on. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them. I have 2 of these and then 2 black ones, but this one here is, this one is Peep. We love Peep. Isn't Peep so cute? Say hello to Peep. Say hi, Peep. Hi. I know. So yeah, if you hear chirping, just think of it as like an ambiance, okay? A background noise. But anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. And if you're already watching this video, if you would, do me the honor, hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. It's absolutely free to do. Just click, click, click. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's open her up. The box is so nice. We love. So when you purchased a mystery box and you spent over a certain amount of money, you got a free lip luster. So I picked out the shade Seduction, which I'm sure is going to be a lovely shade. I'm actually wearing one of her lip plumpers on my lips underneath everything, and I think it really did plump the lips really good. Let me just go ahead and give you a swatch of this, which this is a beautiful color. So this is my free gloss in Seduction. Okay, moving on to what I actually got in my mystery box. Go ahead and rip the paper open. Okay, so first item is the Charlotte's Magic Cream, which I already have because I got it in my Khloe Kardashian Glam Bag X, and I love that so much. So when I saw this, I was like, I don't really need to spend the money. I'm going to Harry Potter World next month, but you know, I need to have it because I need another one. So of course, I spent the money so I could get another magic cream because I love it. So I'm very excited about that. The other thing in here is something that I didn't know I'm getting, and I'm actually really excited. This is the Brightening Youth Glow Brightening Color Correcting Glow Primer. So this Genius Glow Booster visibly brightens for a firmer, younger looking color corrected complexion, instantly blurring the appearance of age spots, blemishes, and redness. Apply on its own or on top of my famous Charlotte's Magic Cream for a youth boosted brighter glow. So I guess you can just use this as skincare. I wonder if this could be like an actual primer. Probably not though. Okay, so this is what it looks like. But I feel like you could probably use this as a primer, but I might just use this on its own. So it's definitely got a pearlescent hue to it. It's right there. and it smells really good. Yeah, so I'll play around with it as like an actual primer and just like a moisturizer as well. Okay, so next up is another product that I knew I was getting, and I feel like I've had this before. This is the Luxury Palette Walk of No Shame, which I think I even have that blush from her, if I remember correctly. So I actually have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. It's really a fantastic brand, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So this is it. I feel like I have had this palette before. It's not really my color story, but since we're going into fall and I have decluttered so many of my palettes, I think I might keep this because I just kind of want to do some more red looks, even though I've been very neutral. Today I'm actually wearing the ColourPop Going Coconuts palette that my best friend Caitlin bought me back when it released, and I haven't touched it in a while. I like this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this around for some fall looks instead of putting it on my Poshmark right away. Next up, we have a huge product in here. This is the this was a limited edition highlighter for 2020, holiday 2020, I believe. This is the Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter, and it's the ultimate face and body highlighter for a soft focus glow. Yeah, and it just shows how to apply it on the back. It doesn't have a shade name, but it looks like that. So I can't remember exactly what this looked like, but I remember the packaging, so hopefully it'll work for me because I don't have any of her highlighters other than the one that's in a duo that I like. This packaging feels a lot cheaper though than her actual packaging. Like, this is, I guess it's the same, but this one just has like slightly more of a cheaper feel than this. I don't know. But anyways, let's open this up and see what the highlighter looks like. Oh no. Mine's broken. As you can see, it's crumbling. That's okay. I will fix it. Let me just shove it back in here and press it down. Okay, so I pressed it back down. No need to contact customer service. It's not that big a deal because you're going to use it anyways. Who cares if it's like messed up, because you're going to mess it up anyways. So let's go ahead and give a swatch. It looks to be really pretty. Oh yeah, that's going to work for me really well. Okay, yeah, so excited about that. That's gonna look so good on me. Okay, we have a few more products. Let's see. We have the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Mascara in Black Vinyl. I feel like I have a sample of this, but I've never used it, I don't think. But I feel like I have a sample. This is so pretty, this like lash design. I want that tattooed on me, even though I don't have tattoos. Ooh, and the wand looks really pretty as well. Yeah, no strong scent either. We love that. Okay, great, great. We have two more products. So this here is a Hyaluronic plus Happy Kiss Color Balm in the shade Romance Kiss. I love me a good lip balm. I've been using the Huda Beauty lip balm just like on the regular in my makeup room, which has been amazing. Here's the packaging, if you can even see it. I've been working on trying to get like my lighting to work better in here since I rearranged. It has kind of like a sweet scent, and this is a really gorgeous shade. It reminds me of her like Victoria shade, but it definitely looks a lot more orange on camera. I don't know why, but it's not as orange, but it definitely has some like more corally tones to it, so I guess that's why it's coming off orange. And then we have our last product here, which is a Collagen Lip Bath, okay? This is so great. I'm so excited about this. Oh, and this one is so pretty too. Oh, I love this one. Okay, this is supposed to be like healthy for your lips. Oh, and it has the same applicator as the plumping gloss, and it smells like peppermint. So this one's kind of orange, but like it's fine because it's for your lips as like a bath. Super pretty. All of these shades are just so nice. I guess I should swatch the eyeshadow palette because I didn't do that. So I'm going to swatch it really quickly for you guys. Okay, so I did some light swatches on my wrist. That's the palette. I'm actually pretty freaking exciting. I think it's just like a smidge disappointing that there wasn't like an actual lipstick in here, but I feel like she would probably put Pillow Talk in here, which I already have, because a lot of mystery boxes do have Pillow Talk. And I'm so excited. I love this mystery box. I love everything that I got. I just want to say buckle up and get ready, because I think I might buy her advent calendar this year. I didn't buy it last year. I really hadn't tried any Charlotte Tilbury products. I felt like $200 for it last year was overpriced, but now that I'm thinking about it, I would totally pay $200 for that. So even though a lot of it was like deluxe samples, but anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Let me know if you bought this, what you got, if we got the same things, or if there's any, you know, if there's variants or if there's not variants. Just let a girl know, including like shades. Like, did you get different shades? I just want to know. Oh, and was your highlighter broken? Because that's a little sad, but I mean, like, if you're gonna use it, it's like not a big deal. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!